Our first stop on this glorious cruise was the port of Cabo San Lucas on the southern coast of the California peninsula. We had no idea what we would do in town. At first we thought that we would simply walk around, maybe see some of the historical sites there, some statues, so on and so forth. But then we spotted a man who was selling jet ski rentals, and little did we know, but we could actually rent the said jet skis at only 18 years old. Thankfully, both of us were above that age at the time. However, the jet skis were quite an outrageous price. I think somewhere around $250 for the both of us for an hour. So after a little bit of haggling in my broken Spanish, I was able to talk that price down about $50, and so he and I rented the jet skis for an hour. The man then showed us down a pier to their local water taxi. This water taxi was a small boat, only equipped with a single engine, but it was sufficient enough to bring us to the beach where the jet skis were moored. After sitting on the beach for quite some time, we were able to finally ride our jet skis. And oh boy,